No race. Yeah, that bend will...
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah. Keep that. Looking good, looking good. Okay, gotta watch that rod. Yeah. Rangy, it's okay. Ease back. Move real and bring it down.
Can you see him?
Not yet. He's staying down. I think another sharp nose. Looking good. Okay, now remember when he gets close, he's probably going to go nutty on him.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Yep. Looking good. Really? Okay.
Oh, there he is.
But you knew. That's good. That's good. Okay.
Impressive, Jacob.
Yeah. That's good.
You seem like you've done this a few times, bud.
Nice.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, he's way out there.
Nice. I get to walk on this way.
You won't be able to see all the trouble.
Take your time. Take your time. You got some waves coming from that boat. From the pond.
Pull back.
That bend.
All right.
You okay? Let me know if you're getting a little bit tired. Okay? Don't lose your form. Getting a little tired. Give you a little bit of help. Not too much though. Smooth, not too fast.
Go in.
Get back, Dimitri.
Looking good. Yeah, he's gonna go crazy. Nice. You know, atmospherically, these conditions are just perfect for this bed. Okay.
Worried about rain.
Okay.
Rain.
Okay. You got it. Let's get that.
Players.
Yeah. Ease him on up. Yeah. Good job.
Good job, dude.
Holy
Yeah.
cow, that's a good one.
Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah, you're just going to keep him off. I got it.
Good job, bud.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, here.
You're getting a little
I
bit.
know I got this one here.
Okay.
Colin.
Okay, putting you back to duty.
Go back out there.